Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can trim clips in Metal TV. So it's as simple as heading over to the application right here, and once inside, we then want to navigate through our video clips by clicking on the library option, which is going to be this one. And simply once inside, you then want to navigate to the clip that you want to trim. In my case, I want to trim this Minecraft video right here. And it's as easy as navigating through the length of the video. In my case, it's 12 seconds. And I'll drag the beginning of the video to the middle part right here where there's no pause. And then I also want to cut the end of the video right here. And from there, if you want to simply trim a lot more of your clip, you can just head over to the open in editor option, and from here you can trim this by clicking on this buttons right here, which is going to be the cut button, where you can simply cut two sides of your video, and from there you can then bring them together. So if we play out the video, it will then look something like that. We can edit this even more by clicking on the cut option. Cut out this specific part, and from there you have successfully trimmed your video in Metal TV. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.